Hey guys, Pastor Donovan, EXP Realty, part of the Johnson Group, out here at Savannah Quarters, previewing some Mungo Homes. I don't do a lot of Mungo. I'm gonna start to put them in my rotation. There's a lot of builders around here. You're talking about, you got D.R. Horton, Landmark 24, Pulte, Dreamfinders, Mungo, Smith Family Homes, Contours. So there's a ton of different homes in the area. I know primarily I've been hitting some D.R. Horton and some Landmark 24. We're gonna really spread our wings a little bit and get some Mungo. So this is their single story plan. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 bath home with 1,665 square feet. The home prices for this would start at around the mid 350s and up. Okay, you're in the Savannah Quarters area, which is fantastic. What I love about Savannah Quarters, it's kind of on the cusp of Savannah and Pooler. It's right at that edge. It's right next to Costco, the Crumble Cookie, Publix. I think they're having a golf place that comes in around here, kind of like Top Golf. Really booming out here, so home price is going to rise in this area really well. But I kind of want to take you to this floor plan. This one has already been sold, but if you're looking for something like this, you can just give me a call at 912-657-3544. I'll hook you guys up with the Mungo rep, and we can get you under contract on one of these homes if you like this floor plan. Let's check it out. All right, so here's the front of the home. As you can see, I like the 2 different colors they got going on with the siding right there. 2-car garage up front, but let me give you a shot of the neighborhood real quick so you can see. All right, still under construction, a lot of construction going on over here. Once again, like I said, this is in the Savannah Quarters area. Love this area. Like I said, it's very super convenient, okay? Because the other side of Pooler, to be honest with you, is like, holy cow. Talk about traffic. It is insane. All right, we're walked into the home. As you can see, laminate floors all the way through this home. Okay, so that's great. Nice long walkway down as you walk in. We're gonna hit it as we go. So the garage, as you can see here, boom, right by the front door, 2-car garage. I know a lot of people ask me, why don't they finish and paint the garage? It's because they're saving money. No other reason than that. So that's what they're doing. So say you come out of the garage, you want to go to your primary bedroom, let's do that. We're right here, so I might as well do it. As you can see, laminated floors all the way through this big size room. Tray ceilings up top. These are braced. These lights are braced for ceiling fans, so if you want to put a ceiling fan in there, no problem. But look at the size of this room. And it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so you can kind of get an idea sun-wise. But I mean, king-size bed, anything you want to. You fit anything you want in here. It's huge, all right? Which is great, because I'm glad they're doing that for the primary bedrooms. Almost in every house I see, the primary bedrooms are really typically pretty large. You get into them older homes, yeah, not so much. But of course, they didn't need all that space back in the day. But look at this. And then you get your quartz countertops, dual vanity. I love that gray. Now this is the gray color. If you watched my last video, the other home that Mungo has in here, it was a dark brown, which I prefer the gray myself, if I'm being really honest. Standing shower right here. Love that with the glass door. Yeah, plenty. Yep. And then you got your toilet. And then you got your towel closet, linen closet, whatever you want it to be. Plenty of space there. All right, this is a single story, so that's great. Good on my knees. If you have bad knees like me from all the time I spent in the military, you can appreciate a 1-story home. All right, so I don't want to head, the other bedrooms are down there. We're gonna hang out and go into the living room area first, then we'll come back to that. So you don't want to miss coat closet coming right off the front door and garage. And then you come into this, I would call this you could make it a flex area. It's got the 2 doors. Could be a dining room, which I think would probably be most appropriate. But you know, even I have a dining room and I don't even eat in the dining room. So you could make this an office if you wanted to. Nice play area. The neighborhood's walkable. Another thing I like about this neighborhood, plenty of things to do in here. There's pools. You can also opt into get into the club at Savannah Quarters behind the gates. That's going to be a fee, but that's one of the rights you get in their pool. Jeez, I thought my pool was nice at Rice Hope. Their pool is insane. And they got all the good stuff, golf and everything like that. But here's your living room, right? I mean, good gravy, look. I mean, there's a lot of long shots, as you can see here, wide open. So if you're entertaining, I mean, like you're involved in everything, regardless of where you're at, which I love that. And then of course, that's the front door, so just kind of give you perspective. Once again, no refrigerator, and it comes with this one. Okay, granite countertops though, love that. You got the door going out. And you've got nice granite countertops going on, stainless steel appliances, besides the refrigerator. Gray again, which I love. The gray color instead of the dark brown, but I mean, you know, everybody has their own preference, right? That's where your fridge would go. But yeah, a lot of space to handle your pots, your pans, dishes. And then here's your pantry area. Let's check this out real quick, okay? Pantry, nice size. All right, let's go to the other bedrooms. I don't want to miss those. All right. Of course, if you have any questions about this, you can give me a call, 912-657-3544. And the incentives change every month. So depending on where you're watching this, incentives might change. So give me a call if you want those. But typically, it means that you're working with their lender. In this case, Silverton Mortgage, which, like I said, most loan companies are pretty much the same. I always suggest to shop the rates with several lenders just so you can kind of get the understanding. If you watch my videos about interest rates versus APR, that's how you kind of figure out who is charging you more. Look at the APR. Okay, look at the APR before you make a decision, because if somebody says, hey, I can get you at 6.5%, if you look at the APR and it's 10%, which is not, that's drastic, but and you see someone that's going to give you the same rate, 6.5%, but their APR is at maybe 8%, well, then you know who has got the better rates. All right, here is another room right here. Carpet, nice size closet. And then we'll go to this bathroom right here, and you see laminate floors going through there, shower tub combo, dual vanity. How you doing? Hi. And then this one's sold, or it's nuts. It's under contract. They should be closing this one soon. But yeah, let's go out to the back. I like this layout. I mean, it really, like I said, it separates you as your primary bedroom over here. You know what I'm saying? And then you got your other rooms over here. I kind of like that setup. All right, let's go out to the back. All right, we're leaving the kitchen, going out to the back. All right, look at that. Covered porch. Nice size patio, look at that. So, I mean, you can have your chairs and stuff in here. This would be easy, if you look at it, to put in a screened porch if you wanted to. Of course, this home has the highway to look at and some trees. But this, you don't have to get this one. Well, this one's already sold, so you can't really get this one anyway. But this is what your home could look like if you come into the Savannah Quarters. So. So that's 130 Jepson Way. Once again, this home is not available, but if you want something like this, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.